Let me show you exactly how to create long-form animations with AI, step by step. Welcome back to Animate AI with Gene. First things first, you need an idea. I have a funny one. It's a story about two drivers racing through the outback to reach the only toilet hut available. Once you have your concept, create a storyboard using Gemini's Nanobanana. Think of it like drawing a comic strip. Each picture needs a clear event or action to keep the story moving. To keep our characters consistent, we need to build the world assets first, just like in a 3D game. I need two drivers, two cars, a rural background, and the toilet hut. I'll generate these using Nanobanana or Midjourney. Here is the style I'm going for. Cute, stylized 3D. Whimsical. Something that looks like a Pixar short film. I'll generate the drivers, the toy-like cars with warm lighting, the rural background with that golden hour glow, and finally, the wooden toilet hut. I also generated a few emoji expressions to use later. Alright, for the first scene, I want the two cars driving up to a traffic light. Here is a pro tip for 2025. To get consistent characters in AI video, you need a start frame and an end frame. This stops the AI from hallucinating or straying too far from your vision. To create new scenes using your assets, simply attach the files to Nanobanana and describe the scene you want. Nanobanana knows exactly how to use what you've uploaded. For example, I've attached my rural road and two cars. I'm just prompting for the red car on the left and the black car on the right, waiting at a red light with headlights on. The best part? You don't need to restate the style or mood. Nanobanana remembers the context of the chat. Let's check out the magic. Wow, that is better than I expected. Nanobanana even included the traffic light. And if you want to add more details like drivers, you can too. Simply attach the driver files and prompt. Put one driver each in each car. Make the windshield clear so we can see the drivers. It's as easy as that. Nanobanana will sort it out intelligently. With this technique, we can generate the rest of the image sequence. To keep the style identical, always use the same chat window in Gemini. Here is the shot list I'm generating. Side views of the drivers, close-ups of the tires smoking, an eagle-eye view of the race, and bouncing down the road, and finally, the ending. The cars parked, the drivers rushing out, and the defeat. The driver kneeling on all fours, pants wet, looking very regretful. Another pro tip. You can have expressive characters by putting expressions into your characters. You can draw or generate your expressions and save it for future uses. Now that we have our images, let's use Midjourney or VO3 to animate them. Since there is no dialogue in this clip, I'll stick with Midjourney. For each image, describe the motion clearly. For example, the tow cars racing fast, taking turns overtaking. Camera follows the cars. Let's see the results. Just like I wanted. Putting it all together with Capcut video edit plus music and royalty-free sound effects from YouTube. Here's the final animation. I hope you had as much fun learning this workflow as I did creating it. If you found this helpful, please support me by subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.